Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can make bold text in Telegram app. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes under this video and write your comments after watching. And let us get down to this topic with you. So, if you would like to make a bold text to, say, the highlight part of the text or to emphasize something, it's very easy to do. First, open Telegram, go to the post or group where you want to write, and then write whatever text you want. Next, you will need to press hold on some of the words. Now you can highlight the part of the text you want or the whole text. Next, click on the three dots and you'll see a little list here, and you'll need to select bold text. As you can see, when you select it, you can immediately see that the selected text becomes thicker. And now, let's say if you send a text like this, it will also show that you have selected a part of the text in a bolder font like this, which will help your readers and interlocutors to focus on that part. With this quick and simple method, you can easily make bold text in Telegram. I hope, friends, that this video was helpful and useful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes under the video, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.